Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some crochet coffee mug cover designs model. Let's start. A crochet coffee mug cover, also known as a crochet mug cozy, is a handmade accessory designed to wrap around a coffee mug. It is typically made from yarn using crochet techniques. The purpose of a crochet mug cover is to insulate the mug, keeping the beverage warm for longer periods and to protect your hands from the heat of the mug. Additionally, they can add a decorative touch to your mug and can be personalized with different colors, patterns, and embellishments. Here are some tips for making a crochet coffee mug cover. First, choose the right yarn. Use a yarn that can withstand heat, such as cotton or acrylic. Avoid yarns that might melt or get damaged when exposed to hot surfaces. Measure your mug. Ensure you measure the circumference and height of your mug accurately. This will help you create a cozy that fits snugly. Use a strix-free stitch. Consider using stitches like single crochet, half double crochet, or ribbing stitches that provide a bit of stretch to fit various mug sizes. Start with a chain. Begin with a foundation chain that matches the circumference of your mug. Make sure it is not too tight or too loose. Create a bottom loop if your cozy needs to be wrapped around the mug's handle. Leave a gap to create a bottom loop or fasten the ends securely. Add embellishments. Personalize your mug cover with embellishments like buttons, flowers, or embroidery. Just make sure they are not too bulky or placed where you hold the mug. Check your gauze. Ensure your stitches are consistent to avoid an uneven or mishap cozy. Adjust your hook size if needed. Finishing touches. Weave in all ends securely to prevent interlocking and lock your cozy, if necessary, to give it a nice shape. Experiment with patterns. Try different crochet patterns to add texture and interest. Patterns like bubbles, curls, or zebras can make your cozy unique. Practice and patience. If you are new to crochet, practice basic stitches and small crochets before attempting a mug cover. Patience and practice will improve your skills. Use a seamless joint to create a more polished cloth. Use techniques like the invisible join or seamless join with connecting rounds or pinches. Customize the design. Personalize your cozy with in details, favorite colors, or themed designs. This can make a great personalized gift. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!